Okay, I think I started. I'm recording now. I started this video. I forgot to hit record. I am walking to the start line. It's a little bit before 7. So I'm walking to the start line of the 8K, and it's a little bit before 7. Race starts at 7:30. Today I'm running the 8K, which is it's 5 miles. I looked it up the other day. It was like 4.97 miles. I wish I was running the half tomorrow, but that's okay. So I'm going to be volunteering at the finish line of the big races. So the half and the full are tomorrow, and I'm going to be at the finish line in the morning, so that'll be fun. I'm really looking forward to that. So I've never volunteered at the finish line before of a race. Yesterday we did a little bit of geocaching, just a little bit, but I got 2 more cities, and I've got 2 videos that I made. They're both short. One is 6 minutes and the other one is like 4 minutes. And so I'm trying, as a new vlogger, YouTuber, I don't really know whether I should go ahead and post them separately and just have 2 short videos, or merge the videos together to make some longer ones. When I'm watching people's videos, here's my thing as a viewer of lots of YouTube channels. I don't like to watch videos that are much more than like 20-25 minutes. If I see a video and it's more than that, I have to think twice before I watch it. That's just me. So I don't want to make it more than that, but I like to watch videos that are longer than 5 minutes. I don't know, if I see a video that's like 5 minutes or less, sometimes I go, oh, I'll wait till the next one comes out and watch 2. So maybe I should make them longer. I don't know. If you have any ideas or suggestions about that, leave me a note. Of course, by that time I will have posted those videos. But it's all a big learning curve. Anyway, I'm approaching the start line and my arm's getting tired from holding this phone for so long. If there's anything to show you today, I will. I'm gonna turn around so you can see where I'm going. So the start line's over here somewhere. I'm just gonna follow all the people, and I'll see you later on today. I'm still walking to the start line. I hope you can hear me over the music. I put my estimated finish time as 1 hour 30 minutes for this race, which I can most likely finish faster than that, I think. I used to be able to run a 10K in 1 hour, which is 6 miles. I can't do that anymore. I haven't run a 5-mile race in a long time. I think I've only done, I don't remember how long it took me then, but with my broken ribs, at the time when I signed up for this one, wasn't sure, so I played it safe. So I am in the very last corral, which means I'll be in the very back of the pack. Hopefully I'll make my way up forward just a little bit during the race. I don't even know if there's a time limit for this one. But anyway, so here I am. I think here's corral 9. I don't see the sign for 10, so I'm just going to hang out right here at the back of this and wait for the race to start. Oh, and I wanted to say too, I think I said this before when I was starting. Turn around. I did make 2 videos. I might have said this already. If I did, I'll cut it out. But I made 2 videos already, and despite the fact that they're short, I think for somebody who is just starting this, and I've never done any vlogging or video making before, I think they turned out pretty well. There's a lot of other things I want to be able to do with them, just to learn. I downloaded a free version of an app. I forget the name of it. I'll have to look. But so far it's working pretty well. There's ads on it as you're editing, but I don't mind that at all. So if I continue to do this, I might find some better software, maybe some for my laptop if I decide to start using that. Anyway, I'm sorry, I'm rambling now. Anyway, but I think my first 2 videos turned out pretty well, considering. So if there's anything else to show you before the race starts, I will. And I don't know if I'll be filming during the race. We'll see. Decided to do a little warm-up run. Check out the ocean. So I've been here since Thursday and haven't seen it yet until now. Beautiful. This is a geocaching adventure lab location. So I had to answer a question about this memorial for law enforcement and got a smiley. Pretty cool. Bonus. The race is about to start and I just got in the porta potty line. We are here at the American Museum of Contemporary Art. About to go inside, and there's a sculpture right here called Nature's Witness. Change how we see life. We're in an exhibit called O'er the Wide and Plastic Sea. And this particular one is made from shells, but also trash. Look at those. You know what those are. Things that I imagine have been found on the beach. Lighters.
Well, these are flossing. That's what you floss your teeth with.
Oh, yeah.
And then those are the caps of bottles.
Okay.
Huh. That's pretty amazing. What is it?
This one is all shells. This is another one made out of shells and trash. It's beautiful, but also made with trash, which is not so beautiful. It's amazing. Syringes, look at that.